is this like perfect timing or what? So we just got done with that Walmart.com order. Now I got a Walmart start shopping order. So with this order, this particular one, it says to arrive at the store at 2:26. It's currently 2:02, so we have 20 minutes to get to the store. You park your car in a normal parking spot. You swipe, I'm arrived at the store. They give you an actual shopping list, and you go around the store. It will tell you each aisle, each section that the product is in. I will try to video record it at best for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. So you go. This order is 23 items. There might be quantities. Maybe the customer wanted 2 of something, so keep that in mind. She tipped nice. The payout, the miles are all great. So we're going to head to Walmart. I'm going to walk you through the, I can't walk you through the app because the customer's information, but it's just the same concept, you guys. You say you swiped at the store, you arrived, your trunk is empty. You shop all the items, you go to the checkout, you let the associate know that you're a Walmart Spark driver, you scan the QR code on the register, you bag up all the items. Here in California, they need to know how many bags you use. The associate at the door will always ask you, because you know they watched you bag the order without scanning everything, so they're always, or otherwise they communicate. Just let somebody know that you're a Spark driver. It makes your life so much easier, you guys. Then you load up your car, you have to bag it, you have to shop it, you have to load up your car, and you take the customer's groceries to their house, you drop everything off, and it's really that simple. So this order was, I forget what it was, but it was simple items. Payout was 20 bucks. I'll take it any day, even if you finish in an hour from start to finish. I don't know. I love Walmart, you guys. I wish I had Walmart orders out here in California for days, but unfortunately I don't. Today is Sunday. Walmart is popping today. Okay, so let's head over to the Walmart, and I'll try my best to show you guys a shopping order from Walmart. What kind of crack I was smoking today, but this order we're doing right now is actually $34, so that makes me even more happier because I know I'm going to get it done like that. But transparency, you guys, with the order, it doesn't show you what's on the shopping list until you click arrive at the store, and it shows you all the grocery items. So if you're not okay with carrying heavy bags of salt pellets for water softeners, or multiple cases of water, or multiple cases of soda, you probably should get a different job and not do this. Or you can be like me, go get you a cart, make your life easier. I'm an old lady. I got knees and a back. And ain't nobody got time to be hurting themselves. So get yourself a cart and bags to make your life easier instead of whining. Are you going to pass up $34? I'm sure as hell not. Just go to Walmart. Don't forget, you guys, and do me a kindness and make sure you hit the thumbs up button and give this video a like. I'm sharing information with you to help you have a better trip and to have more knowledge about Spark. So do me a kindness, because I'm sharing information with you that you wouldn't know otherwise unless you did it yourself. And just hit me a thumbs up and make sure you watch it all the way through, okay? I'm taking a lot more time on these orders to make sure I go into step-by-step detail for you. So that's the least you could do for me. Pretty. Another little pro tip for you: if you guys find that you have a phone and the battery drains really quick when you are shopping, your battery depletes really quickly. So make sure that you have a power cord and a power bank, and you can put it in your back pocket. I carry around a fanny pack for that purpose. So pro tip for you guys, if you are worried about your phone battery dying in the middle of an order. I've had it happen. It sucks. I have 2 battery packs. They look like something like this, and you can find them on Amazon. So I'm at the Walmart, y'all, and if I can give you guys some tips, it would be to park in the back of the parking lot so you can get out quicker. Also park by cart corral so you can easily put your cart away. I'm heading into Walmart right now. There it is. As soon as I walk up to the door, I'm going to click start shopping, and then that's going to give me a list of my items to shop for. And then I'm just going to go around the store. It tells you exactly where it's at, which I'll show you guys how to navigate through Walmart. Pay attention to the quantity. You scan each one. You confirm that you picked it up. Super, super easy. It's going to take me a little bit of time if I keep showing you guys the steps, but it is 2:18 right now, so hopefully we can get this order done in an hour. So the first item on our list was an onion, which I have right here. Step by step, you have to pick out the onion, make sure it's something that's not damaged or bruised or, you know, just not a bad produce. You take it over to the scale, you weigh it, confirm the quantity, confirm the weight, and then you just keep it moving with the grocery list. That's how produce works. If it doesn't have a barcode, you weigh it. Mostly all of the produce you have to weigh, unless it's like a bag of apples where you have to scan. Next on our list is a roll of toilet paper. So it tells you at the top of the screen, the location was B21 section 7. So in Walmart, top of the shelves here, they have labels. So this is B21 6. There's yellow cones everywhere, so it says B21 7, and then you find the particular item that we needed, which I don't remember, but you scan it and then confirm that that's the one that you, so every aisle is labeled. You'll see this one here, the whole store is labeled. Then you just scan the barcode and then put it in the cart. And Walmart, one of the things I don't like about it is now I have to go back to all the way to produce. I got that onion first. I went back all the way to the back of the store for the paper towel. Now I got to go all the way up front for the bananas. You can't go out of order. You have to go in the order that they give you. So that's one thing that I do not like about Walmart, is you can't go out of order. You literally have to go screen by screen of every product that they put on there, and you're walking around the store front to back. Maybe they'll change it sooner or later, but it's one thing I don't like. We're just in produce. We grabbed a banana. We were in the bakery aisle. We grabbed those cookies, and now we're in aisle A12, and we need to find section, oh, I forget, but it was tortillas. So again, if you look at the top of the aisle, you're in aisle 12, and then it's section, this is the section. So that's how you find items. It's also the freezer section. It's on the bottom, so it'll tell you the aisle and the section. It makes it really easy to find the item. Instacart, if you are an Instacart driver, it doesn't get as specific. And some stores you walk into and you just have to figure it out. Sometimes you get grocery orders on DoorDash and they tell you bakery, meat, grocery, and you have to figure it out. So trust your gut. A lot of common interest or common knowledge when it comes to, you just have to have common sense. If you're used to grocery shopping, you know your store, you shop at the same store all the time, then you'll get to know it easier. I started fresh out here in California, so everything's new to me, but I've been doing delivery services for 3 years now, so I'm getting pretty well rounded with it. So anyway, let's keep shopping. About scanning the barcodes too is if you're wrong, it will tell you. So it tells you, and you know that you grabbed the wrong item, so you need to keep looking, which I really like. Another thing you have to worry about is if they don't have an item in stock. So there is this kind of classic roast coffee. Now the customer wanted this size, but they obviously don't have it. What you need to do, and this is what I usually just say, can't find it, and then I recommend or add a substitute of the smaller size. I do not add substitutes that are not the same product. If it's a bigger size or smaller size, that's the only time I do substitutes. Otherwise, I just say can't find, can't find, can't find. I'm not trying to bring people stuff they never asked for. And the reason why I do that is because a lot of people have an allergy or they picked certain items because they want that item. So don't give them something that's not the same thing in a different size. Just say it's not available. Trust me. Next item on the list is yogurt. When you're picking out yogurt, make sure there's no holes in the tops and then check the expiration dates. A lot of customers get peeved because people don't check expiration dates. Well, how would you feel if you ordered your groceries and all of them were expired? So please check all of the dairy expiration dates on yogurt and such, and make sure that it's the farthest one out and they're all the same flavor. She wants 7 of the mixed berries, so I have to make sure I check all the dates, that they're all mixed berry, and then keep it moving. There's items where I can't find them, or maybe the package changed or it doesn't look like the picture, so I literally just start scanning everything until I find it. So there's a helpful tip for you. This is what the order looks like. I always wrap my meat and I always wrap the produce if it's out of a package. Obviously grapes are already packaged, but this is the order. So then we just head to the checkout, and then the register has a QR code that we scan, and then you tell the associate, which I'm not going to video record because I don't like people in my video and I don't have their consent, but the line is really ridiculously long, so that's not my favorite part about Sundays. So one of the steps as you're shopping is to say that you left the store. Don't leave the store until your car is loaded up. Yeah. So here is all the grocery items. I checked in with the associate. I don't remember where I parked. It's always a good day when you don't remember where you parked, but I'm at that age where I don't remember. So I forgot to mention that I had to bag everything myself, you guys. When you're bagging, make sure that you keep the cold stuff together. I kept the meat separate. All the dairy is together, frozen, cold. Produce, lettuce, salad, yogurt. Your breakable stuff, you know, bread, grapes, bananas, stuff like that. Make sure you keep it on the top of the bag. I don't know where the cart corral is. But even when you have somebody bag the groceries for you, they still manage to mess it up. It's a peeve of mine, and I'm OCD, so I always make sure to make my customers happy. So once your car is loaded up, you can hit the I left the store button. It'll ask you to verify. Hit it again. Then it'll say start delivery. You just swipe, and then it'll show you the customer's information, and then you hit the navigate button. This customer is 8 minutes away, so we're going to head to the customer's house. You have to take all the groceries to the door, confirm that you're there, that you arrived, scan. You don't have to scan anything, sorry. Drop all the items nicely off at the door. Make sure you don't block the door. Ring the doorbell. Make sure you see the customer. Make sure they know that their grocery items are there. Usually they know that their groceries are coming because they can see your process on the app. Every single move that you make, it notifies them, just like Instacart. So they're not going to be like, oh, why are you here? They know that you're shopping for them. So yeah, and then you drop at door, take a picture, confirm that you left, confirm the order, confirm the delivery is complete, and that's it, you guys. I don't remember what time we started, but it's 2:58 right now, and that order was $34. The customer's 8 minutes away, so I'll be done within 5 minutes. So that order is all dropped off, you guys. while I was driving over here, I got an Instacart order for $34. Grocery shop for 20 items, payouts 34 bucks. So I accepted that one. So between Walmart, the two Walmarts today, that's $70 and another 30. So I'm heading over to Vons to grocery shop for a customer. I don't know who it is yet. But that order was dropped off. You just put it on the porch, say that you arrived at the location, put it on the porch, take the picture, ring their doorbell. Everybody out here in California has those ring doorbells, so they already know I'm here. But easy breezy. So I'm gonna head over to Vons and do this Instacart order. Lots of good orders today. Big money, lots less time. That's how I like them. We only did one DoorDash today. The other day, you guys, the other day I did DoorDash for 2 hours. You won't believe how much money I made. It was a peak pay. I did it for 2 hours on a Saturday night. Ooh, money. Ooh, money. We'll just say that. Good day for me. So I'm gonna head over and we're gonna do this Instacart order, but I'm not video recording it, you guys, because it just takes too much time, and I'm trying to make money today. I already showed you guys 2 Walmart orders back to back, so I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys. You get to come into my world and understand exactly step by step what I do, so it's exciting. So anyway, let's find